Pranam to all. How are you? I hope you are all fine. Arabian jasmine flowers are the king of fragrant flowers. Jasmine are of more than 200 plus varieties around the world. But Arabian jasmine occupies the remarkable place for strong fragrance and layered flowers. Few days back, we uploaded a video about Arabian jasmine, in where we said about repotting and giving fertilizers to the plant. Look, within 10 days, buds have come in the plant. But there's some problem in our plant. Can you notice the problem? The leaves have become dull, some even have become yellow in color. Leaf curling and burns are also present. Right now, I will tell you about yellowing jasmine foliage problems and solutions. It can cause for nutrient problems. Plants are susceptible to chlorosis, a condition that results when the plant lacks nutrients, usually iron. Yellow in jasmine foliage also occurs with poor soil conditions. It prefers acidic soil. Sometimes jasmine leaves are yellow because of improper watering. Both too much and too little water can cause yellow leaves on jasmine plants. Jasmine performs best in rich, organic, well-drained soil. The soil should be moist but slightly dry. Too soggy, waterlogged soil can cause yellow leaves. Now I'm telling the solution of yellow leaves. First, my mom is digging the soil. Then she is adding a layer of coco peat. This coco peat acts like a mulching. The coco peat helps to restore the water and cool the soil. As Delhi is a semi-desert area, its summer is harsh and dry. Plants can't take proper nutrients from the soil for harsh weather. My mom noticed there is some leaf curl in the jasmine plants. Now we have to know the reason behind leaf curl. It may be pest infestation, fungal infections, or environmental stress. But there is no sign of pest infestation or fungal infections. It may be because of excessive heat, low moisture levels, high temperatures, and dry air. And the solution of this is apply mulching, proper watering, and spray water on foliage. At last, we have to know what conditions do Arabian jasmine like. It likes well-drained soil, full sun, and slow-release fertilizer. Kitchen waste compost tea is best as slow-release fertilizer. If you are interested to know what kind of fertilizer apply to get lots of flowers, you can watch this video. I hope you like this video. If your plant has such problems, then I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, share this video, subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Stay safe, stay healthy, help earth and save nature. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.